In this video, we're going to talk about groups and groupings for use with the attendance module. So first off, let's look at the participants list. So I have a large list of students. They're in a bunch of different groups because I'm using them for different assignments. But I have created a group for the Tuesday, Thursday section. These were brought in with a meta course link. So those students that were brought in are in the Tuesday, Thursday course section. And the students that were in the base course are in the Monday, Wednesday section. And I renamed those for the way I wanted to call them instead of the course numbers. So if I go into groups, I can see that Monday, Wednesday course section, 5 students, Tuesday, Thursday, 4. Since I do have a lot of different groups that I'm using for other activities, I also have a grouping. And the grouping I have is called sections, and the two groups that it deals with are the Monday, Wednesday course sections and the Tuesday, Thursday course section. So if I use this grouping, it only looks at those two groups. So from here, if I go into attendance, so right off the bat, type is all students. And if I take the roll, the only option I have is to do all the students. If I go to create a new session, the only option I have is for all students. However, if I go under settings and I go to common module settings, I'm going to go down here and say groups, separate groups. And because I have so many groups in my class, I want to use a grouping called, and this particular one I'm going to use is sections. Save and display. So now when I add a session, I have the ability to do groups of students, so I can make an attendance section for my Monday, Wednesday course. Those were the ones in this course. I'm going to add that session, and now when I go to take roll, I only have those students that were in the course originally. If I go back to attendance and I add a session and I pick my Tuesday, Thursday session or section, and when I take roll there, it will only be the students that were brought in with the meta course link. So that is how you use the groupings and group function within attendance to separate your students out so that you can manage those a little better.